welcome back. So, a little backstory. Hi, my name is Bridget and I'm going on the grand tour of Europe with EF Ultimate Breaks, if you can see that. Yay! So, I leave July 9th. So in this standpoint of a countdown, in a minute once it loads, it's 34 days. And you might be saying, isn't that a little soon to start packing, Bridget? No, it's not. Because I don't have everything. I keep returning things that I bought that I was like, I'm gonna love this, I'm gonna wear this every single day for the rest of my life. It's back to the store now. So this is the start. This is being realistic with ourselves. This is being like, all right, this is what I'm gonna bring, this is what I'm not gonna bring. Like, I already have returned, so let's start this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is lay it all out, get it all together, because this is just going to be really boring of me trying to find it in my room and it's messy. So cute. Today is June 9th of 2022, which means it is exactly 30 days until we leave on this grand tour of Europe. Today I literally got my flight details in all of our accommodations, which is awesome. So far, so good, you know. EF has literally done it all, which is, I just sit there and get excited about things and they tell me when to be excited. So if that's not the best way to travel, I really don't know what is. Here is a quick rundown of what I currently have featuring my doggy. That's very close to my face, I'm sorry. Featuring my doggy. Yay! Okay, say hello to the people. Yes. Oh, look at that face. Oh my goodness, you were just so good. Anyway. So it's just a lot of stuff right now. This is, so I have 2 bags. This is not coming with me, that's just to weigh it. This is like a bunch of stuff that I shopped under my bed for. That's bathing suits. So I'm only bringing 3 bathing suits. I think that's plenty. This is my converter, best converter literally ever. So a couple other things is that I'm bringing some COVID tests, masks, that's not even half of it, honestly. Laundry detergent, but they're sheets. So they're not like, and they smell so good, so they're gonna make my suitcase smell good. But yeah, it's all kind of just like a bunch of stuff right now. And then I'm gonna, right now I have friends coming over this weekend, so I can't have it as a giant pile in my suitcase on the floor right here. Hi. Okay, so today is, it's June. Good start, right? Today is June 18th and I am packing a little bit more today because we are basically at, I think, 21 days. So yeah, I'm gonna be packing a little bit more today. I got some stuff that I'm gonna show you guys what I got, but first, some coffee. And I've made some changes. Some things have developed. So I'm no longer thinking I'm taking this suitcase anymore. It's just not, it's a little too small, I think. So I have, ooh, this bad boy. which I think will be a lot better. And I do like it. I took it to Greece when I went for 3 weeks, so I think it'll be plenty of room. And I'm a better packer now than I was in Greece. I definitely overpacked for that trip. Okay, so this is what I have so far all laid out, and I will go through it all. So these are my skirts. So I have one long one. I have this linen white one. I'm unsure if I'm going to take it. This white jean skirt that I just got, and then this jean skirt. I don't think I'm going to take this actually. So that's goodbye. So I have 3 skirts. I think that's plenty. Done. And then I have a couple of jean shorts. So I have one white one. These are 2 of the same color, but I like them. So if I get a stain on them, I have another one. So that's 2 and 4. And then 1 like beachy pair. So 3 skirts, 5 pairs of shorts. 1 pair of like leggingy pants, but they're cute. They're like flare. I actually wear them to work all the time and they're super comfy. But I like them. I think they'll be good for like a cute outfit. And then I'm going to bring 1 pair of jeans. I have a pair of leggings. This is probably for the plane. I have 2 tennis skirts because we're busing everywhere. So I want like something comfy, but like if we get off and like I want a cute picture or whatever, it's still cute. And then this is like pajamas and like sports bras or whatever, and just kind of some comfy clothes. I know that's a lot of comfy clothes. I'm probably gonna go through it and like get rid of it. I kind of just threw everything in it. That's how I kind of pack, is over the course of a couple weeks I just throw things and I'm like, I want to take this, I know I want to take this, I want to take this, and then I'm like, that's unrealistic, Bridget, like you're not gonna take that. Next I have 2 button-down shirts. I wear this to the beach a lot, so like I'll definitely see myself wearing that to the beach. And then I figured this was like a cute little light cover-up that will go with basically all of my shirts. So I have a couple of basics which are great, like tank tops, some nicer tops, and then please ignore the giant picture of pile of blankets. But that's like bathing suits. So with my bathing suits, I'm bringing 3, but one's a full piece and then 2 bikinis, and the full piece I'm also probably gonna double up as a bodysuit. Okay, oh my god, it gets so low, I forget how high this is. We're back again. It is June. Oh my god, it's June 22nd, it's a Wednesday, and we are, well, it's like 4 o'clock. We're at 17 days, and I'm packing again. So, I'm trying to figure it out. I don't know where I left you guys off on, but I got some stuff. I got a box of Band-Aids. I'm not really prone to blisters, but you know, I don't want to find out I'm prone to blisters in Europe. So, yeah, let's see. I'm going to show you what I got going on. We're 17, really basically 16 days away before we go. It's a wheat thing now. So yeah, I don't know where I left you guys off on. I am kind of figuring it out. I don't know if I like this big of a suitcase, but I think it might be necessary. Oh, sorry. I think it might be necessary. I'm not sure what I'm going for here, but I don't think I'm going to bring, so I think I'm doing this. 1 carry-on bag, because the last time I weighed my bag, it was at 56 pounds. And I guarantee you, it is my toiletry bag. So, I'm keeping theirs there because I keep changing my mind. So, what's in here, you ask? That's a fabulous question. This is just the sweatshirt I plan to take. This is my extra wallet, but I'm not using that. So this is my bag. This is gonna be my personal item. And then this is gonna just have everything else in it. These are not staying, but I got locks so I can lock them. this is here as a placeholder. This is a placeholder because I think I'm going to bring like a change of clothes when I get off the plane, just in case something happens to my bag, God forbid. But you know, we're being prepared. So we have my plane bag, which I've added my passport to, and some other stuff. My pillow, it blows up, in case you're wondering. It blows up. That's why I like it. These are my bathing suits, and this is like workout comfy clothes, basically. Again, kind of just a placeholder for right now. But I wanted to take like one of the heavier bags out of my suitcase and put it in here. And then I got like little things, so like my tech bag, my travel journal, this is the eye mask that goes with my thing, my charger, mask, and then a copy of my passport and my COVID stuff. And then I just have like gum and wipes in here and some tissues and a pen. So yeah, I think that's the best way. And then in this second thing right at the bottom are my shoes. Shoes. Which I also think were making my bag very heavy. So I figured this was the best way. I managed. So, LOL. I nixed the big one again, and now I'm back on the medium-sized one because I got self-conscious because now everybody's bringing a medium-sized one. So I condensed a bunch of my packing cubes actually, and now I've managed to condense this all in here. So I'm no longer doing two. I also gave myself the hard truth, and I said, you're not gonna wear that. You're kidding yourself. Be realistic, Bridget. So I'll change my mind again tomorrow. Okay, so we are packing for the final time. Here it all is. I'm not relaying it back out because I totally forgot to do this, but I managed to get it all in the medium suitcase. Well, I'm attempting to still get it in all the medium suitcase. I took little photos of like all the shirts and clothes I'm bringing, so I'll put that in here. We're almost there. Today is July 4th. Happy 4th. This is what I'm doing. We are, can you see it? 5 days. That's crazy. That's nuts, dudes. This one is dresses, and my strapless bra, and then my 2 button-down shirts, and then like shorts to go under my dresses. Here is pants and shirts, and this is just an extra pair of pajamas. This is coming on my carry-on with me just in case something happens to my suitcase. Socks, underwear, bras. I don't know if I said it, but it's a swimsuit. Then I have my wallet here that I'm still using. And then a bag that I'm not sure if I'm taking yet. And then here, and then we have my bag of shoes. I think some of this is not coming. This is my new toiletry bag. I got a TJ bag because it's Kate Spade. And it hangs so much better. And then it has another layer in here. Right there. So yeah, I think it's good. It's so much smaller, which is so much better. It's still heavy, but I moved some stuff to my plane bag that are like tiny bottles, so that way I can take it on the plane with me. Good morning. I just wanted to close out this video and say thanks so much for watching. I hope that helped you kind of see a lot of brain power went into packing, and you just kind of get some ideas. It doesn't have to be perfect, and always start early, because you can be like me and be done. So I will see you guys in London. Bye.